Your breakfast might be the reason you can't think at 3 p.m. And it's not what you think. Okay, wait, stop scrolling for literally 2 seconds because I need to tell you something that is going to completely rewire your brain, and not in the good way. I mean in the way where you realize you have been sabotaging yourself every single morning and wondering why by 3 p.m. you feel like a wet sock that someone left in a gym bag for 6 days. We are talking about brain fog and the 3 p.m. slump, and why your mornings are literally cooking your brain before you even get to lunch. Let us get into it. Habit number 1, and I know this is going to hurt you. Wake up and you immediately check your phone. Like before your eyes are even fully open, your thumb is already scrolling, and your brain, which has just spent 8 hours in rest mode, is suddenly being hit with 47 notifications, a trending drama, and 3 videos of people doing things you will never do, and your cortisol spikes immediately, like a jump scare in a horror movie, and your nervous system is just sitting there, like, bro, we were not ready for this, we did not even get to stretch. This is called cortisol dysregulation, and it means your stress hormone peaks way too early, and then by noon, it has already crashed and taken your focus, your motivation, and your will to live completely with it. And then 3 p.m. hits, and you are just staring at your screen like a loading screen that never loads. Habit number 2 is skip breakfast, or you eat pure sugar garbage. A coffee and a croissant is not a meal. It is a prank your body is playing on your brain. You get a spike, you feel fine, you feel great actually, you feel like you could do anything, and then 45 minutes later you are crashing harder than a guy who just found out his situationship was never a situationship. And you are sitting in your chair at 3 p.m. wondering why you cannot form a single coherent sentence. Your brain needs actual fuel, glucose from real food, protein, fats, the whole situation, not just vibes and espresso. Habit number 3, you are not drinking water before noon. Your brain is literally 80% water, and you are walking around dehydrated from 8 hours of sleep, and then wondering why you feel like your thoughts are moving through wet cement. Dehydration literally shrinks your cognitive performance and makes your brain physically smaller, temporarily, which is terrifying and also kind of explains a lot. So now you are probably asking, okay, what do I actually do about this? Number 1, put your phone across the room when you sleep, so you physically cannot reach it first thing in the morning. Give yourself 15 minutes of not consuming anything. Just exist like a normal creature for 1 moment. Number 2, eat a real breakfast, even if it is small. Eggs, avocado, Greek yogurt, literally anything that has protein and actual nutrients, so your blood sugar does not throw a tantrum by 10:30. Number 3, drink water before you do anything else. 16 ounces, the second you wake up. Your brain will thank you in ways you cannot even imagine. Now here is where it gets interesting, because even when you fix all 3 of those habits, some people are still fogged out, still slow, still running at like 40% capacity, and a huge reason for that is magnesium deficiency. Most people are chronically low in magnesium, and they do not know it, and magnesium glycinate specifically is the form that crosses the blood-brain barrier and actually helps your brain calm its nervous system, regulate sleep quality, and reduce that constant low-grade anxiety that makes your focus feel like a broken Wi-Fi signal. I have linked a magnesium glycinate supplement in the description, and this is not a boring ad. This is me telling you that my brain went from dial-up to fiber optic, and the difference is actually embarrassing because I wasted so many afternoons just staring at nothing when the solution was sitting in a bottle on Amazon. It is Litera. LL1 of the most studied supplements for cognitive function, sleep quality, and mood regulation, and most people are walking around deficient and just accepting brain fog as their personality. You are not a brain fog person. You are a dehydrated, underfed, phone-addicted, magnesium-deficient person, and that is actually fixable. Check the link in the description. Grab the magnesium glycinate, fix your mornings, and stop letting 3 p.m. ruin your entire existence. Your brain deserves better than this chaotic morning routine, and honestly, so do you. Now go drink some water right now, I am not joking. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines.